Hey guys, this is Rhoda, and today I am going to guide you through a session of Kundalini yoga and meditation, and this is specifically for really healing the heart, opening the heart, activating that energy of self-love, of compassion, of immunity. And not only that, but the heart is really the area of the body that contains the most energy. There's a lot of potent energy in this space. And I find that when you are able to tap into this energy and liberate it, that it just makes you feel amazing, first of all. And it's just an energy that you can use to manifest and to create and to expand. And it's just amazing. So I'm excited to share this with you.
All right, so let's go ahead and place both hands over the heart. Sit up with a straight spine and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through the nose, sending that breath deep down. And then when you exhale, feeling your heart melting and relaxing. Again, deep inhale through the nose. And exhale, relax. Continue doing this breath on your own for a little longer. With every exhale, just allowing your heart to melt and relax even more deeply than the last time. And now we're going to go ahead and make some circles with the spine. So inhale as you circle around the front and exhale around the back. As you're inhaling around the front, making sure that you're really opening that throat, opening that heart and chest up toward the sky. And then exhaling, rounding your back. Really taking your time as you're doing this. We're going to go in the opposite direction now. Continuing to inhale as you roll around the front, and then again exhaling as you go around the back, and being very conscious of your movements. We're really waking up the spine here, the energy in the spine, while also expanding and awakening that energy in the heart space. And when you have energy awake and open in the spine and the heart, that is a potent combination. So really just bringing your full presence to this as you go through the breath and movement. All right. Now we're going to press forward and then back. Okay, so as we go forward, it's the same idea. Chest open, throat open up toward the sky, and then back, curving that spine, tucking your chin down. And we're going to do the same thing here. So As you are tilting that chest upward, you're looking up, that's the inhale. And then as you're going back and you're rounding that spine, tucking your chin down, that is your exhale. And just continue doing this on your own. Okay, so now you're going to sit up straight and do a little bit of breath of fire. Just to go over this with you, breath of fire, you're just kind of pushing out that breath as you inhale. You're just bringing in those quick bursts of inhale through the nose and allowing that belly to just start pumping. The exhale is going to take care of itself here, so really just focusing on that quick inhalation there, that inhale, letting that belly pump out on its own. All right, and now we're going to take that breath of fire into this practice here. We're going to place the left palm down on the floor, and then the right, we're just going to place over our heads across the body here, looking upward toward the arm. And as you hold this pose, you will do the breath of fire, just what we were doing. And you can sit any way you want to here. If you just want to sit cross-legged, you can. I like to sit like this, where I'm just kind of sitting back on the ankles, like that area. That feels good to me when I'm doing this practice, but feel free to sit in whatever way works for you. You don't want to strain yourself while you do this, so adjusting as you need to. And now we're going to go in the opposite direction. So it's the same thing, just the other side. And when you get here in this pose, and you start looking upward, again, we're going to be bringing the breath of fire into it. So remember, breathing in, just taking those inhales in bursts through the nose. Exhale is just going to take care of itself here, feeling that belly pumping outward. All right, great job. Now we're going to move into this next practice here, one of my personal favorites because it feels so good. We are going to go ahead and sit up nice and straight. So first we're just going to bring the palms together at the chest, right in front of the heart, just focusing here on the energy in this space, feeling into the energy here, all this energy that we've been bringing to the surface by focusing and working on the heart chakra, just noticing, being aware, paying attention, feeling the balance that comes from bringing these palms together, the balance between both hemispheres of the brain. If you'd like to, you can do some breath of fire here as well, if it feels good to you to do. Or you could just breathe normally here. It's up to you if you just want to sort of take it easy as you sit here. And now, here we go. a great practice, which I love. We're just going to start rubbing the chest area. So back and forth. You want to do a firm pressure here, just rubbing from right below the collarbone on down. The chest, just up and down, up and down. This feels really good. It's really soothing. It's just really great to open that energy there. And then when you're done, sitting up nice and straight, breathing in, feeling all this energy we've created, wrapping your arms around yourself, giving yourself a nice deep hug, feeling all that love, all that energy, that vibrancy, that compassion, and that power, knowing that you are power, that your heart has so much power in it.
Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed our Tantra Kundalini session together. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And I will see you next time.